Okay, so you've installed ninjasmoke, and now you're able to privately chat and send pics with your friends, and that's all great. But did you know that ninjasmoke is not just for talking with humans? It's also for talking with devices on the Internet of Things. Any device that supports the ninjasmoke framework can appear on your local contacts list the first time you connect up to them. You use a username and password to log in. If that checks out, it'll establish a permanent connection between your phone and the device. This device is for small to mid-sized greenhouses and indoor growers, and it gives you all the stuff that you would need on your little growing dashboard here, like the temperature, the humidity, the brightness in the room. Tells you when motion was last detected. You can actually turn on outlets on and off and that sort of thing. You can set up your notification settings here so that you can specify a minimum and maximum range for the various sensors, and if it gets outside that range, it'll send you a notification. You can have it notify you on motion detected, send you a picture. You can specify the sensitivity so that if you've got an area where there's a little bit more natural movement and infrared noise, you can turn the sensitivity down and you won't get false positives. You can add new sensors, you can delete sensors that already exist, you can clear the notifications from your inbox, that sort of thing. And for example, here we got some notifications indicating that motion was detected. Here, we'll go ahead and take a look at that, and it sends you a picture of whatever it's seeing. Now, obviously, this is a false alarm. The thing's sitting on my desk, and I just waved at it to trigger it. But you get the idea. If someone was actually in your space, they would show up here in the picture, and you would have visual confirmation of that. You can also select all, clear your, delete selected, all that kind of stuff, just like you would expect. Now, since this is actually based on an email system, you can actually send emails to other people with the CyberGrow system installed. You would just copy their email address, not your own obviously, and paste their email address in here, send them, subject, format your message, upload any attachments, send, etc., and it would go out safely and securely directly from your outbox to their inbox, no server in between. So, of course, for all of the various sensors, you can tap on them to see the results over time. You can specify, show me the last 2 hours, please. You can say, show me a week. Let's go with humidity. Show me last 24 hours, etc. You get the idea. So anyway, basically, this is your entry-level system here for a growing system. You can then add additional power outlets here. This is hooked up. You can't see it, but the light just turned on my desk. You can have up to 8 power outputs. You got 8 digital inputs you can hook up. You can hook up additional sensors like pH or parts per million or soil moisture, or the sky's the limit really. And then you can trigger events so that if the moisture of your soil is too dry, then turn on the power to a pump for 30 seconds, that type of thing. So very very powerful system, and it shows right up in your ninjasmoke list. So there you have it, folks. Get out on the Internet of Things, build some cool stuff, and control it with ninjasmoke. Thanks.